Free fish and chips! What? Paper, scissors, shoot. Lost.
Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't make it then. In their heads, living free, I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making G's like Mercedes-Benz.
I'm giving away 100 free fish and chips for everybody, for the people of Nottingham. Over the past few weeks, we created a crypto coin called Chippies, and it's absolutely going global. And to give back to the community, every single week, we give away people free fish and chips. All you have to do is share us on Twitter. And right now, Nottingham is going absolutely crazy. People are going wild, and we're gonna have some fun and interact with the community. So let's go find out.
Whoa, yeah, please don't take offense. It isn't you, I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this came and went. So go ahead, but I'm staying in. Okay, drop a song and pop up on your phone like I was you.
Nice to meet you. Here for the chips? What do you prefer? What do you prefer, chips or burgers?
Chips.
Fish and chips. Nottingham's favourite meal, right? England's favourite meal.
Yeah.
So have you ever heard of crypto?
I have.
You have?
I have, yeah. I don't know much about it, but I have heard about it.
Tell me, what do you know?
Just basically you can earn a lot of money.
Yeah, you can.
Are you the guy?
Yeah, so basically we made a crypto coin. Hey guys, enjoying the food? I hope you enjoy it. I've got one question for you guys though. Have you ever heard of crypto? You never heard of crypto?
I've heard of what crypto is, yeah. Obviously like digital currency.
Yeah. We created a coin called Fish and Chips.
Down with the chippy.
Yeah. Oh, don't get shy. Yeah, down with Chippy. So next Friday, if you guys want free fish and chips again, you can get free fish and chips. All you have to do, order and post the fish and chips, and we'll pay for your meal. We'll send you the money. Yeah, every single Friday.
Is it just at this chippy or is it certain ones?
Any chippy. Any chippy. Every Friday you can scan that, post it on Twitter, and then we'll send you the money for the fish and chips. Every Friday. So enjoy guys, and thank you very much. Thank you. Yes. Thank you for coming. Yeah man. We're gonna change the chippy world. This isn't gonna be the last time, it's the first time of many. I'm proud of every single one of you guys today. Thank you. I really am. Thank you very much guys, and let's make history. Right. 1, 2, 3, chippy! Yeah, so I got a special gift from my man Spud. I got the one and only limited edition, 1 of 1 Spud jumper bar. My brother. So Spud is Martini guy's right hand man, and the craziest thing is, in Dubai, I met you before I even met Martini.
No, exactly.
And we just got along.
It's perfect, man. I met his partner Ryan as well. Great team, great guys to know. I'm very fortunate that I met these guys in Dubai. And you know, what are we, 4 weeks later now? And look where we're at, guys. We're absolutely smashing it, holding real life events, making good partnerships. Guys, get about it. Make sure you go to these events, make these networks, make these connections. It's great, man. We're here for Free Chippy Friday.
I got a question as well, yeah? How you even found out about Chippies, because even sometimes people think just because you're part of Martini's team that you get the inside scoop or you get the inside scoop. It's not like that in this game at all.
So that Martini guy, obviously he knows a lot of people listen to his calls, and even within his team, you know, if we were to know, we would have lumped, you know, a large part of our funds into it. He did a fair launch. He launched it on the Discord. I actually heard of it first through a friend of mine who's also in the Discord. He said, "Spud, do you know this fish and chips?" I went, nah. I went, put 2 Sol into it. That 2 Sol was now worth 100k, guys. That could have been any one of you guys.
Yeah, and it was a few people in the Discord. And if you want to find new meme coins, you want to learn about crypto, even from my mentor about crypto, and all you have to do is check out Crypto Saving Expert. But imagine, if you invested $139 3 weeks ago, you yourself right now could be sat on over $100,000. Let that sink in. Well, thank you again, bro.
Awesome, Tyrell.
Yeah, man, one love. Do you like fish and chips?
Yeah, my brother's there, innit?
You want free fish and chips, yeah? Just that way, line up there, over there. Do you like fish and chips? You don't like fish and chips? Do you like fish and chips?
I mean, kinda.
Kind of. Do you want free fish and chips?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah? Line up at Orphan Elizabeth and you can get free fish and chips. I'll pay for it. Very good. Hey guys, anytime you want free food, every Friday, you can have free fish and chips on us. All you have to do, take a picture, put it on Twitter. I'm gonna play rock, paper, scissors and see who can win. Get more downloading Phantom Wallet. Sponsored by Solana. Solana, sponsor me. sponsor me. We're gonna get all these young youths. You got nice eyes. Come, boy. Come. If you beat me at rock, paper, scissors, I'm gonna give you £10. You only got one go. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go, yeah? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then you gotta go. On the go though, I don't want to see no lagging. That's it, it's the last one, Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my days! These kids are fully, you know. These kids are fully. Fish and chips for the kids, I'll cover it. You gotta beat me at rock, paper, scissors. If you win, you get a 20. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Nah, that was too slow. Well, I'll give it you. Yeah, boy. Enjoy it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Lost. That would do it. Wait. You want yours? Stay there, Jordan. Stay there.
You always make that dickhead, Richard.
I got a present. As founder and leader, I got you a present.
Oh.
King Cod.
That's actually quite good.
Yeah, well,
I can wear that at British GT this weekend.
And I got a gift for the wifey, Queen Cod.
Very good. I'll put that back in there.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Man. Here you go. Thank you very much for coming, guys. How are you?
I think I saw a bit of character.
Yes.
There was a chip fight.
Everyone, this is the last t-shirt for you. Thank you very much for coming. I'm just grateful, man. Thank you for every single one of you guys that showed up. We're going to continue to serve the community. Jordan's just brought another 50 fish and chips for the people. And yeah, man, we're going to see where this takes us. Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, look, they said that I couldn't do it, so I went and did it. W's only, you know I've been winning. Top of the world, the globe is.
I've got some quick fire questions for you. Right? You have to keep them like one word. I'll let you do like one sentence because it's crypto. You know what I mean? So first thing, what's your Bitcoin price?
For the next 18 months, $330,000 to $360,000 per coin.
Okay. If you had to pick one, Ethereum or Solana?
Ethereum. Yeah.
Best crypto exchange for newbies?
Fairmex.
Okay. Best crypto wallet?
Phantom.
Okay. And the last one, too. Wow.
Hello.
Okay.
When I've got my daughter, want to take some photos with you, love.
Little time on my hands like a wristwatch. I don't got time for the breaks.
Okay. And the last one is how you buy chips.
Got the driving, I got tunnel vision. I just hit my stride the way I run the business. I've been making paper like I'm Dunder Mifflin. See the end game, I got one division. Look.